Now get it off the hook.
They don't get a whole lot bigger than that.
Honey!
Baby, don't hurt it.
I think Lynn's wanting to get one.
My fishing!
Brandon's got one, it looks like.
Yeah, Scott needs to change his damn lure.
Brandon's got one, first fish.
If you're going to hurt them like this, you need to change the lure.
Joe, hang on.
Just grab him by the bottom lip, Brandon, reach in there and take the hook out.
Still video me. So when I go throw it back in.
Yeah, she's going to throw it back in.
Yeah.
Catch and release, she has to throw it back in. I want to throw them back in, but I'm scared they'll fight me. Got another in front. No piranhas in here.
This one, just catching them and throwing them back.
Good job, baby. Brandon, you got to keep it for a minute. Okay.